name is Nurhanani binti Al-Akbar. My student ID is 2023698778. Did you know that the Nipah pump or Nipah Fructicans is one of the most unique and valuable plants in the world? So let's explore why it's so important for Malaysia and globally. In Malaysia, Nipah palms thrive in mangrove ecosystem along coastal areas and riverbanks. They play a critical role in stabilizing shorelines, preventing erosions, and supporting marine life like fish and crabs. But it's not just about the environment. These palms are economically and culturally important too. The leaf, known as atap, are used for traditional roof drainage, and their sap is harvested to make sugar, vinegar, and even a traditional drink called toddy. Plus, their seeds are used in desserts like ais kacang. Normally, Nipah palms are climate heroes. They act as a carbon sinks, absorbing CO2 and helping fight climate change. Researchers are even exploring the potential to produce biofuels, offering a renewable
Hi and Assalamualaikum to Dr. Farhan and to my fellow friends. My name is Maria Mitimadim, Mr. ID 2023427192. So I will start with the aquatic ecosystem. Aquatic ecosystem worldwide are under increasing stress due to climate change. In regions like here in Malaysia, where coastal ecosystem including mangrove and also estuaries play vital roles in biodiversity, carbon sequestration, and also local economies. These challenges are becoming more severe, and the climate change affects the aquatic ecosystem, and today I'll be focusing more on these one species which are Nipah palms. The first one, we move on to the rising sea levels. Sea levels are rising due to global warming. It can cause flooding, erosion, and saltwater mixing into freshwater areas. Impact on Nipah palm. What are the impact on the Nipah palm? It can give, when too much flooding, it might be disrupt the growth of the Nipah palm and also the reproduction of it. And the next one is excessive saltwater, stressing the palms even though they are adapted to the brackish water. And the last one, when the loss of mangrove, including the Nipah palm species, remove natural protection against storms, and it can put ecosystem and also communities at risk. The next one here is increased salinity. Higher salt level in soil and water can give harm to aquatic plants and also animals, including Nipah palm. As Nipah palm, they needed a balance of fresh water and also salt water, as when they having too much salt, it may reduce their ability and as to absorb the water and also nutrients, as it can give bad impact to the growth and productivity of the Nipah palm. The last impact here is having extreme weather. Storm and cyclones are becoming stronger and more frequent and can cause the damage like flood and soil disruptions to the Nipah palms. Why I say so? As Nipah palm, when the flood after storms leave the habitats waterlogged, it can cut off the oxygens that coming to the roots of the plants, and this can weaken the plants and affect their survival.
Hi, my name is Izora Eswari Zabitinasi. In this video, I will talk about the adaptive features of Nipah palm. Nipah Fructicans is commonly known as the Nipah palm. Exhibits several unique adaptations that enables it to thrive in mangrove ecosystem. These adaptations are crucial for its survival in saline, waterlogged environments typical of coastal regions. The first one is root system. The Nipah palm has a specialized root system composed of pneumatophores, which are root-like structures that extend above the soil surface. These structures facilitate gas exchange, allowing the plants to access oxygen in an aerobic environment typical of mangrove. The roots also stabilize the plant in soft and stable soils, encouraging its against tidal forces and wave actions. Next is its growth characteristic. Unlike most palms, the trunk of Nipah palms grows horizontally beneath the soil, with only its leaf and flower stalks emerging above ground. This adaptation reduces the exposure to strong winds and flooding. The leaves can grow up to 9 meters long, providing significant surface area for photosynthesis, while also contributing to soil stabilization through their extensive root system. The last one is its reproductive strategy. Nipah palm produce large clusters of fruits that are buoyant, allowing them to disperse effectively via water currents. The seeds can float away from the parent plant, germinating when they reach suitable condition inland or in other coastal areas. This reproductive strategy is vital for colonizing new areas, especially given their ability to thrive in brackish water environment. Next, I will talk about the ecological importance of Nipah palm. Nipah palm is ecologically significant, particularly in coastal and mangrove ecosystem. The first one is coastal protection. Nipah palms serve as natural buffers against coastal erosion. Their extensive root system stabilize shorelines by trapping sediments and reducing the impact of wave and storm surge. This protective role is vital in mitigating the effects of climate change and extreme weather events on coastal communities. The second one is biodiversity support. The Nipah palm contributes to biodiversity by providing habitats for various species, including fish, crabs, and birds. It dense growth creates microhabitats that supports aquatic life and terrestrial animals, thus enhancing overall ecosystem diversity. Additionally, the fruits and flowers of the Nipah palm are food sources for various wildlife, including long-tailed macacus and proboscis monkeys. Next is nutrient cycling. Nipah palm thrive in nutrient-rich brackish water, playing a crucial role in nutrient cycling within this ecosystem. As they grow, they contribute organic matter through leaf litter and decaying fruits, which enrich the surrounding soil and support other plant species. Lastly is economic benefits. Local communities rely heavily on Nipah palms for economic sustenance. The sap is processed into various products such as sugar, vinegar, and alcohol, providing significant income opportunities. The leaves are also utilized for thatching roof and crafting handicraft, further supporting local economies. In some regions, the income generated from Nipah palm products can be substantial, with communities earning up to 200 per day from palm sugar production alone.
Now, we will look on how this issue was linked to the SDGs. Now, I will share 3 of the link between the Nipah palm and the SDGs. First is life on land, the second is life below water, and the third is zero hunger. First, on life on land, the Nipah palm will support the terrestrial ecosystem by stabilizing the soil, promoting the biodiversity, and reduce the impact of land degradation. This will contribute to overall health of mangrove ecosystem, which are the vital for land conservation. Now we will take a look on the life below water. Nipah palm play roles in maintaining this ecosystem by preventing the erosion from happening and providing the habitats for fish, crab, and other marine organisms. This will help to protect the biodiversity in coastal waters. And the last one is zero hunger. The sap from Nipah can be used to make sugar, which are known as toddy sugar or Nipah sugar. The fruit of Nipah is also edible, so this can help to combat food insecurity, especially in regions with limited access to other food sources.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Ainul Shafika binti Abdul Aziz. My student number is 2023899948. To protect the Nipah palm, we need to focus on several key actions. First, restoring and conserving coastal mangrove ecosystem is essential, as mangrove provide a safe environment for the palms to grow and help protect the coastline from erosion. Second, sustainable harvesting practices must be promoted to prevent overuse of the palm's resources, ensuring that they are used responsibly without harming the species or its habitat. Third, pollution must be addressed, as industrial runoff, agricultural chemicals, and waste can contaminate the waters and soils that supports Nipah palms. Finally, raising public awareness and involving local communities in conservation efforts is crucial, as people who understand the ecological and economic value of the palms are more likely to take part in their protection. By combining habitat restoration, responsible harvesting, pollution control, and community engagement, we can help ensure a sustainable future for the Nipah palm and the ecosystem it relies on.